The House also alleges that over 400 names na nag-sign po ng acknowledgement receipts. Again, on the issue of the confidential funds, wala daw pong records at the PSA. Ma'am, you can offer an explanation because we know that this is a legal proceeding, pero pinag-uusapan po siya ngayon, ma'am, sa bahay ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya explanation if this is above board or bakit wala silang birth certificate, ma'am.
No, I will not explain. I will not give an explanation because it will entail that I explain intelligence operations which will compromise officers who do intelligence operations. It will really compromise how they work. So no explanation will be given to the members of the House of Representatives.
Oy, salamat po. Sabi ka, para kay Chrissy Brooks. Oy, thank you very much, Ray Maquila. Oy, teka. Mukhang may namumuong pag-iibigan dito, ha.
A follow-up from me, ma'am. Then what's your response to accusations that an office like the DepEd and the OVP have no jurisdiction naman to have these confidential funds that are spent for national security?
Well, the confidential funds was the first
Bopols din talaga tong ano na to eh. Bopols din talaga tong reporter. Yun nga yung sinasabi natin na si Inday Sara was a member of NTFL-CAC. And the fact na yung pera na yan galing mismo sa palasyo at ino-authorize siya ng palasyo na gamitin yan for whatever purposes niya gustong gamitin yan, it means ginamit niya yan ng tama. Kuha nyo kasi hindi naman niya yan binulsa. Ang importante, ginamit niya ng tama or ginamit niya. So kung dapat magagalit kayo kay Inday Sara patungkol dito sa confidential funds niya or doon sa 125 million na inilipat sa kanya, sana magalit muna kayo doon sa kung sino ang nagbigay sa kanya. Matatapos ng taon, ibinigay sa kanya yung pera na yan tapos ini-expect nyo na na patagalin niya yung paggamit. Ang liit-liit na pera niyan. Sabi ko kasi 125 million 1.4 billion nga yung ginagastos ng gobyerno natin para sa flood control project na baha pa rin naman. Araw-araw yun, 1.4 billion. Ito, 125 million na ginastos ng hindi bababa sa 11 araw. Malaking issue pa rin sa inyo yun. So dapat talaga lahat ng sangkot kung saan galing yung money trail, dapat masundan dito. Sino ba nagsimula? Saan nagsimula? Nagsimula sa Malacanang, ipinasa sa opisina niya. Sino ngayon na may kasalanan? Yung opisina niya o yung nagpasa sa kanya ng pera? Mas kasalanan kung yung pera na yan, hindi ba? Mas masama kung yung pera na yan hindi nagamit. Yun ang pinakamasaklap doon. Katulad nung ginawa ni Lenny Robredo nung araw na ang laki-laki ng savings ng opisina niya. Tuwan-tuwa siya. Ang laki daw na na-save na pera ng opisina niya. Sabi ko nga, tanga, hindi ka naman dapat mag-save ng pera eh. Ang dapat na ginagawa mo, yung pera na binibigay sa'yo, ilagay mo sa serbisyo. Kasi kapag nagtipid ka, ibig sabihin, pati serbisyo tinipid mo, inutil. Pare-parehas talaga kayong mag-isip para kayong mga walang utak.
transfer.
May I love you na. Walang hiya, sabi nga ni I love you to Chrissy Brooks. Wow! Ang tindi, I love you na kayong dalawa. Sige na, ikakasal ko na kayo. Tinatanggap nyo ba ang isa't isa na maging katuwang nyo sa panghabang buhay? Oo, kung oo, yan. You may now kiss the bride.
Of confidential funds was from the office, from the contingent funds to the office of the Vice President. And this was approved by the office of the President. The next year, confidential funds was 2023. We submitted it to the Department of Budget and Management. It was approved by the Department of Budget and Management, and therefore it implies it was approved by the Office of the President.
Hindi niyo ba nakita? Nagkaroon siya ng pera na yan because it was approved. At dapat niyang gamitin yun because it was entitled to her. May pera siya para dyan, therefore dapat niyang gamitin sa kung ano man yung whatever she fits, ika nga. Kung ano yung nakikita niyang fit na paggamitan nito mga pondo na to, gagamitin niya to because she's entitled to that. Tangina, yung iba nga diyan pinambibili lang ng mga Hermes ng mga kabit nila Tapos kung makapagsalita kayo kay Inday Sara, kala ninyo kalaki-laki ng pera. Sabi nga ni Inday, bobo ba kayo? Ang ninanakaw ng mga kasamahan ko sa pamahalaan, bilyon-bilyon, tapos ako 125, magpapahuli pa ako.
because it was included in the National Expenditure Program, the NEP. So, and then it was approved by Congress as well. The only reason why we did not use the confidential funds in the fourth quarter for both offices, because I was already planned by a friend inside the House of Representatives that they will attack you using confidential funds. So yes, it was duly approved by the Office of the President and both houses of Congress, as well as because it was included in the General Appropriations Act. So it was not, we presented it, we defended it, they approved it, we used it, and then the question on utilization is under the Commission on Audit. That is how the system works. They cannot use, or they cannot twist the system according to their personal interests.
Nakigets nyo na siguro. Ibinigay yun sa akin. It was approved by Congress. It was given to me by Congress. It was approved by the President. Therefore, I'm entitled to use that. However I want to use it, that's my discretion. Ngayon, kung hiningan nyo ko ng tinatanong nyo ko kung saan ko ginastos, kung COA ang magtatanong sa akin, I will answer. Pero kung Congress, ba't ko sila sasagutin? Hindi naman sila COA. Kaya nga may COA So I am answerable to COA, hindi sa Congress. Hindi porket kayo yung may power of the purse, pwede na kayo mag-scrutinize. Okay lang yun. Pero sana naiintindihan nyo yung kahalagahan ng confidentiality nung paggamit ng pondo na to. Kasi po, pwede maapektuhan yung national security and the security of the informants na pinaglagakan nitong mga pondo na ito. Plain and simple, this is all political.
Yan ang panatero, walang inuurungan.